Hi, it's Tamara here from Transformation for Women, tamaradonn.com. And this week my daughter's gone back to school. We've been away a lot in the summer, so I'm trying to get back into my rhythms that really set me up for the day, which include EFT, of course, meditation, just been for a jog. I'm at the allotment now, which is my lovely place where I really ground. And these habits and routines are so important. And as you know, Peter and I train people to run to become EFT practitioners. And we have lots of EFT practitioners who help other people, but they don't actually tap on themselves. And they just use it for others rather than helping themselves in their own lives. And I also work with groups of mums, and sometimes I've just finished a back to school blueprint for success where they watched a tapping video, a 5-minute tapping video every day for 5 days to get them into the right frame of mind for a successful back to school routine. But what really strikes me is that most people I speak to really know how amazing and beneficial EFT is, but do they do it? That's the question. And the answer is no. And so I want to say, just do it. So, and I know there are lots of reasons why people don't do it. So I haven't got the time, I'm too busy, my mind's too busy, all sorts of things like that. I'm too tired. So these are all excuses. So right now, right here today, I want you to commit to tapping just 5 minutes a day. That's all it takes, just 5 minutes to get you into a great frame of mind. And if you do it first thing in the morning, then it's even better. So let's start. If you haven't done tapping before, it's EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. If you don't know what I'm doing, just simply do what I do, say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, simply don't do it. But if you do tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So, starting with the side of the hand, even though, and repeat after me, I know tapping's good for me. It really makes a difference in my life. And do I do it? No. And I choose to be easy on myself, even though I know the benefits of tapping. I know how well it's worked on me, and I know how well it works on others. And for some reason, I just don't do it. I choose to break this cycle now and make a new change. Let September be that change. And I commit to start tapping. So tapping through the points. And I really know the benefits of tapping. I love tapping. I see how it helps me. I see how it helps others. And I want it to be my habit. But I'm too tired. There's always something more important. I always procrastinate. I keep sabotaging myself. But I know how good it is for me. And I know how much better I feel when I do it. So I'm open to the possibility of committing right here, right now, And if you agree with me, I want you to type in yes in the comments right now. I want to see a stream of yeses coming up. I commit right now that tapping is going to be my habit. And I'm starting with it right here, right now. Just 5 minutes a day. That's all it takes. And I'm tapping now. And I'm noticing my feet on the ground and my body, how it is right here, right now. And I'm open to the possibility of allowing my body to soften and relax. I'm infusing myself with more calm and ease and peace and joy and love. And I'm radiating the energy of having an absolutely wonderful day today. And say transform and take a deep breath. Transform. So I hope that you are committing to doing your daily tapping. This will be the first day, day one of the rest of your life. And do write in the comments how you feel now from tapping. And if you do it every day, I'd love to hear how it's changing your life. And if you didn't get any results from this tapping, then share as well, because I really would love to support you in having good shifts, and that tapping can be your go-to habit on a daily basis. If you want to know more about tapping, then do check out my website, tamaradonn.com. I'd love to hear from you. Bye.